Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of 3D knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps, muffler and baby blanket. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. Both sides are same. This pattern is 4 rows repeat pattern cast on multiple of 10 plus 2 edge stitches, multiple of 10 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration, here we have 22 stitches on my needle. 20 stitches multiple of 10 2 times 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 plus 2 edge stitches 22. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Yarn in front, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 4, knit 2, purl 1. This is 10 stitches pattern 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Again we repeat this pattern how many stitches one more time. Purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1. Here we complete 2 times repeat pattern last edge knit edge from right side. First row is complete now. Second row wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern how many stitches one more time. Knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2. Last edge, purl edge from wrong side. Third row right side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 4, purl 2, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern how many stitches one more time. Knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1, edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row, wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2. That's a repeat from here to here. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. Again we repeat this pattern how much to have. So one more time. Purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2. Purl edge from wrong side. Fourth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 4 rows, and after repetition of 4 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of an. If you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friend.